sorry coming today.
Yeah.
He wasn't here yesterday.
He's just got out this morning.
That's 380 was an hour late.
Yeah.
I just said,
Very late taking off.
I just said to him, well, I said, I've got this app called Flight Radar. I said, it's shit. He said, what do you mean? What do you mean it's shit? I said, there you are, open it up and show me what to do. He's like, wow.
Oh yeah.
Arrivals, departures, what's on the ground.
Oh yeah.
I said, because I'm...
Yeah, that's coast down there.
What's that? Is that on YouTube?
Yeah, it's live now.
I didn't know you could do more stuff on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh man, technology.
I used to do it on my phone. I used to have it on my phone, but I stopped it. I was just using it too much data.
Huh?
I stopped doing it in the end. It was just taking up too much data. Just hoping that battery lasts. I have no idea you can come up here. I don't think it was allowed.
Well, there's a guy that owns a snowball.
Alright.
Down there. He's brilliant. If you put the steps first, you can get right onto the top. And you can look out. I said, because there's a viewpoint over there. He went, no. He said, look on top of the 20 stories. It's much better.
On the news the other day about there's an issue over there with the airliners. The guy who was recording starting the engines. I'd say on par with the 380, but much more high pitched.
They're old school now though, aren't they?
Yeah. Absolute monster.
I did a few years ago, I did the Concorde experience in that Manchester Airport. That was before it was they built a hangar board.
Oh
Oh my God. So the heat coming off the back end of that.
Me and my cousin got blown off our feet. We had a really strong headwind.
Yeah.
So we were at the Alps and the 380 took off at the end of the runway. We just couldn't stand. It was unbelievable.
Yeah. The week this Wednesday I'm flying out to was it Infos, Xanto.
Oh, nice.
I don't know if you've been there.
I've never been off this island.
What?
Never been out.
You've never flown?
Never.
What?
Actually, view you get.
Wow. Let's start making them now.
I think so, yeah.
Because they're not economically viable, so to say.
Oh, that won't correct.
Do you think they should have scrapped on?
I don't think they should have.
I don't think so. But the people at British Airways, they didn't want Richard Branson to have it. Because he would have made it possible for the working man to fly Concorde, and that would have been a fucking huge embarrassment for British Airways. So I'll say anyway. Yeah, here we go.
There he goes. And my battery's going to die. Great.
I found it, but it don't say where it's going.
Oh, bugger. Ah,
Not applicable.
typical, isn't it?
Man, if it just stops between the lampposts, you need to get whatever you want with it.
Come on, battery, just last. Please, let's last.
And then you have to pull it, tug it across here.
Oh my God, look at it. Oh shit.
Massive.
Any?
Right, here we go. Come on, camera, just last. Please, just last.
Here we go. Ready?
Just stop.
Let it go out shots.
Stupid.